gonna start this stream off with making a margarita, but I couldn't be actually fucked to do it properly, so forgive me, senpai. So I'm doing fucking, like, margarita cookies, and I'm doing pulled pork, beef tacos. I got like a little taco station set up. I made homemade salsa. I'm gonna make some homemade guacamole. Also, I couldn't be fucked to make an actual margarita, so this is probably as good as it's gonna get. I don't know much about like Mexican style cooking, but I do know that that's like the strongest margarita I've ever had in my life. So I sifted the flour. I got my sugar, I got my zest, and I got my eggs. But I'm gonna start with the sugar and the fucking butter. Cream that sugar, oh baby. Like every bowl in my fucking house is filled with shit. Right now I'm just making cookies, which gotta go in the freezer for like 2 hours. Okay, so then I got the lime zest. I don't have orange extract because I couldn't be fucked. That's rad. I just spilled fucking flour all over the place. Can't miss any of that shit. Oh, fuck, man. I am dumb. You know, I cleaned this fucking kitchen today for this fucking reason. For this fucking stream, and I'm already making a fucking mess. Flour all over the floor. It's the reason I hate baking. Becomes a mess quick. Yeah, it's fucking... Dude, it is painful. I might have to, like, spoon it in, honestly. This also looks like too much flour, but... Again, I'm following a recipe, so, like... I don't fucking know. I don't know dick about fucking baking, so whatever. That definitely looks like it's gonna be way too dry, but... Like, hey, fuck, I'm not the chef here or anything. Oh, I am the chef here. Uh-oh. Hey, worst case scenario, I'll blame whoever wrote the recipe. Another reason I hate baking. This gets so fucking disgusting. But yeah, no, the recipe calls for you to, like, put, like, sugar and salt onto, like, a baking sheet and then, like, kind of, like, roll it around and shit in it. But, you know, I know I shouldn't be eating fucking raw egg. Go fucking tell somebody who cares. They gotta go in the oven, like, eventually anyway, but I gotta freeze them, so... Okay, so what we're gonna do next, and I have no idea how to use this thing. Well, we got pork tenderloin. It's just like a simple dry spice rub. Paprika, garlic powder, mushroom, onion powder, garlic powder, I probably already said that. Salt, pepper, cayenne, cumin. Yeah, just real easy. So, my avocados are nice and brown. That's exactly why you don't cut your avocados ahead of time. Dude, these avocados are great. I got them from Walmart 2 days ago, and I'm like, wow, are these going to be, like, ripe? And they are, for the most part. Mushy-ass avocado in here. I got garlic already pre-minced. I feel like fucking Martha Stewart right now. What you really need is lime juice, because that also not only prevents it from getting brown. I don't think Robbie's going to be here. Okay, olive oil. Always olive oil. And then I always do a little bit of cayenne. Paprika. You can add onions and shit to this, but like, honestly, I would eat the avocados like that. I also made homemade salsa, which has to sit for a little bit longer, but that's it. Mostly smooth, a little bit chunky, you know. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fry that garlic a little bit, tiny bit of olive oil. I'm gonna fry my garlic a little bit in a little bit of olive oil and cumin, paprika. But yeah, this salad is just like black bean, avocado, tomato, roasted corn, and onions. And actually, this recipe originally called for baby spinach, but romaine. But I'm gonna fry this garlic a little bit. I'm gonna add the spices, and then when it's like cooked, I'll throw it on later because you don't want to dress the salad like ahead of time. Oh shit, Godly, thank you for the 1,000 bits. The police are about to arrest you for food crimes. Probably, yeah. I give them that. But I am thinking of doing like this cooking stream like more often and stuff, because like it's fun. 2 shots vodka, and puts in like a quarter of a bottle of vodka. Okay, so let's bake these cookies. We're gonna get this up to 350. Probably should have done that first. Is this what you do in your spare time? I don't do cooking streams very often, but I do really enjoy the cooking streams while I do them. They're tons of fun. Normally I play like games and all that fun stuff, so like, you know, whatever. My kitchen looks nice, by the way. Thanks, I spent the whole day cleaning it before this. One of these days I'm gonna make a chocolate pudding at like 3 a.m. stream or some shit. By the way, that pork tastes fucking delicious. We'll see how that goes real quick. You run the show, but I missed the prep. I don't do prep on stream, Mackenzie. If you want me, I can do like a prep kind of thing, but it might just be for like subs only. Alright, so I burned myself today already. But here's what the pork looks like. Personal stress? Well then PM it to me, I don't fucking care. Okay, there are these cookies. Let's put these up real quick. Got little like margarita type cookies. Yeah, no, those cookies turned out pretty well. Let's see how they are. Yo, those cookies are hot. They're not bad though. They're actually like really not that bad. Rate the cookies. 0 out of 10 because I'm a cunt. But here, hold on. Here's the cookies. They could have gone a little bit longer, maybe a little bit more sugar. They're just like minis, yeah? Like they're nothing big. So we're gonna fry this beef. A little frozen, but usually I play like a lot of like games on stream, but like cooking is always gotta be one of my things. Like I'll always like do like a stream every once in a while with like alcohol, you know what I mean? Like tequila is this round, but like I'll switch it up every once in a while. Yeah, it's fun as hell. Cam, I want a meat close-up. Alright, here's your meat close-up. There it is. It's still raw, yeah. It's fucking raw. Yeah, so I got the beef, I got the pork, I got the salad that's gonna be ready to dress whenever. Cookies are real rad. They do your salt, they do your fucking pepper. I don't have chili powder. I just used the last of my chili powder tonight. But you do cumin. Usually you do chili powder. I'm actually almost out of cumin too. A little bit of cayenne. Because you don't want to be like terribly spicy. But yeah, that's basically it. Like cumin, salt, pepper, cayenne, and chili is pretty good for like taco meat, you know. It's hard to fuck up. Ground beef has got like such a nice flavor, you know what I mean? We'll put this up right now because, you know, that's me. I know y'all like this. Yo, anybody that wants to see like a final like picture of like what I make on my stream, here's my Discord. Y'all can add me or come join the stream and I'll post pictures. Oh, fuck. Okay, so the beef is going. I'm gonna break it up a little bit. Alright, we'll get this beef cooked. Pork's donezo. I'll put a picture in my Discord of the final product or whatnot. Okay, so once the beef is going, we'll take that off the heat. Here's the romaine lettuce. You got your avocado. I hope that falls apart a little bit better, but hey. Whatever. Your sliced onions in here. Yo, onion gang, what's up? Forgot the most important part of salad. 14 gallons of ranch. Imagine though. Then we're gonna add the roasted corn. This is good because like salads are usually like pretty good like the day after and all that fun shit. We're gonna add tomatoes, which aren't my favorite, but it's supposed to be cherry tomatoes, but I couldn't be fucked. We got black beans. So your black beans, and then we'll toss this salad, and then supposed to let that cool down a little bit. We'll throw some olive oil on here. Just drizzle your fucking garlic and cumin and all that fun shit over here, and olive oil. Get your shrimps. Sprinkle that shit in there. Yeah, I think that's probably eating stream. Nah, I know. Mackenzie, that sounds like a personal problem, yeah? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys real quick what I've got before I end stream. I got my shrimp salad. I got homemade guacamole, homemade, and then homemade salsa. Margarita cookies. I'm going to have to glaze them later and shit. And then, yeah, I've got my beef. I've got my fucking pulled pork. Yeah, so anyway, if you guys are new to the stream, please consider following. That would help me out quite a bit and all that fun stuff. And yeah, have a good night, everybody. Talk to you guys later.